Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for clicking on my racing video. We are watching Heats 1 and 2 at Canberra for the Tag Tri Series. I hope you all enjoy my racing video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Like the video if you enjoyed the race and share my channel and videos around so others can also enjoy them. Please keep these subscriptions rolling in. I've been getting great view counts lately. I would love my subscription count to be the same amount. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel grow to help me fund some of my racing career. I'd be very grateful if you do subscribe. First time ever down at Canberra. I have to say the track is absolutely fun. I unfortunately had some issues with one specific corner that just ruins my weekend. Now remember, this is Heats 1 and 2, so keep watching after the first heat. Enjoy the races. So as you can see, this is the reason why I'm putting Heats 1 and 2 together. Heat 1, unfortunately, the mount on my GoPro was snapping or had already snapped, and it was starting, every time I'd go on a bump, it would knock the camera view down. Also, at the start of the race, there was a big collision with two drivers, so I was right behind it and I had bumped number 8, and that also knocked the camera down even further. But you could see from the Heat 1 Speed Hive results. I was just not in the rhythm after that accident. I couldn't get in the rhythm and get in control of my lines and pace. I was lucky to keep my position. I believe it was 24. He was right behind me and he was trying to pass me non-stop, so I was lucky to hold my position and stay where I was. Just Heat 1 wasn't my heat, and it definitely wasn't some other driver's heats either. This is Heat 2. Unfortunately, because of the cracked mount, the camera does fly off, so I do warn you, sometime in this part of the video you will get a lot of flying colours from a GoPro flipping through the air. You do get a little bit of the race, but other than that you'll have to see the results in the Speed Hive end of race Speed Hive results, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, good news, the camera survived. It did have a waterproof protection case. Even that case survived. You can see that I was doing really good in that heat. I got up to 9th. I stayed in 9th for a fair bit. You could even see that I was somewhat closing the gap or maintaining the gap that I was with 8th, but it was just that one corner. You'll see it in Heat 3, the one corner that just messes up my whole weekend. I just took it incorrectly on one of the last few laps, and I just binned it in the grass and lost all my progress, my effort, and just went down the field. It happens. Being new to this track, it's going to happen. I was pushing very hard trying to get good results at a track that I've never been at before, so yeah, it eventually got to me. I'll explain that later in Heat 3 or the final, like Heat 3 video or the final video. But yeah, other than that, thank you for sticking around. Please subscribe, share and like, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace.